Soft texture will not damage lenses or optical surfaces. Chemically pure tissue is free from silicons and other additives. Provide with an outstanding effect in removing dust, smudges, fingerprints and stains on lens. High absorbency ensures the safe removal of surface moisture and grease. Perfect for cleaning the surfaces of lenses, camera, camcorders, telescopes, eyepieces, binoculars, microscopes, filters and other optics.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.
JP Store channel, click bell button. Subscribe 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 JP Store channel, click bell